Hi guys, this is a series of G strategy videos. In this series, we are going to see the past year CAT questions and we will try to solve these questions using G strategy. Okay, so G strategy can be applied in a lot of questions and it is not necessary that all questions should be solved in a complete proper way because you have to save your time. Okay, so this is the agenda of today's question. So let's see that how we can solve the question in a faster way using G strategy and we will see the question by using both the ways, like a longer method and a shorter version also. Okay, so I request you guys to please pause this video for a few minutes and try, and then comment your time you have taken to solve this question in the comment box. Okay, so please try. Okay, so I hope आप लोगों ने इसे try किया होगा. So let's try to solve this question first using a longer way, and then we will try to solve this orally. Okay, so let's start. Ramesh and Gautam are among 22 students who write an exam. Ramesh scored 82.5. Okay, so Ramesh has scored 82.5. Let's write this. The average score of 21 students other than Gautam is 62. That means uh, the 21 स्टूडेंट अदर देन गौतम, लाइक रमेश गौतम को छोड़ दिया और बाकी जो 21 लोग हैं उनका एवरेज है 62. ओके, the average score of all 22 students is one more than the average of 21 students. This is another piece of information which is given to us. Okay, then we need to find the score of Gautam. Okay, so there are two person, Gautam, sorry, Ramesh and Gautam. Gautam score we need to find, and total 22. So there are remaining 20 students, so let's write them T20. Okay, so using first bit of information, what we can write is the average score of 21 student other than Gautam is 62. Okay, 62. So let's say 21 स्टूडेंट का बोला है तो T20 का जो सम है वो T20 ले लेते हैं, फिर रमेश आ जाएगा. this is this is Ramesh. He will be what 21st person, and जो आपको 21 लोगों का एवरेज दिया है वो क्या दिया है 62, and we know that average is equal to sum by n, so sum will be what average into n. Okay, so we are equating sum here, so 20 लोगों का sum T20 मान लेते हैं. रमेश का 82.5 आ गया, तो 21 लोगों का सम क्या होना चाहिए एवरेज इंटू नंबर ऑफ पीपल. सो एवरेज कितना दिया है 62 एंड नंबर ऑफ पीपल कितना है 21. ओके, सो यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन वी कैन गेट द टोटल वैल्यू ऑफ 20 स्टूडेंट. सो 20 स्टूडेंट का वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगा 62 इंटू 21 माइनस 82.5. so that comes around, let's try to solve this. 62 into 2 is 124. So 124 is 1240 plus again 62. So this is 1302. Okay, and this minus 82.5 minus 82.5. So this comes out as 1219.5. So sum of 20 student, sum of marks of 20 student comes out as 1219.5. Okay, now what is given to us the average score of all the 22 student is one more than the average score of 21 student. So let's say the average score of 21 student be x. So x is average score of 21. So 21 student, so x into 21 plus 21 student other than Ramesh. So we will add the value of Ramesh. So Ramesh is what 82.5. Okay, the average score of, yes, okay, and the average score of all 22 student is one more than the average score other than Ramesh. Okay, so सो बाकी 22 लोगों का हमें दिया है कि क्या वन मोर है. ओके, सो वन मोर है तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर 22 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय एवरेज इज वन मोर देन एक्स. सो वी कैन सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. ओके, सो यहाँ से आपके पास x की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, x आ जाएगा आपके पास 60.5. ओके, 21x 22x प्लस 22, सो ये x कट जाएगा, लाइक करके बताना है. ओके, लेट्स let's solve this here. This is what 21x plus 82.5 is equal to 22x plus 22. Okay, so this 21x and this 22x will get cancelled and here x will remain, and this 82.5 minus 22, this will become 60.5. That's how I wrote this x is equal to 60.5. Okay, now there is another piece of information, there is another remaining piece of information that we need to comprehend. Okay, so what is given to us now? The average of 21 student. We need to find the value of Gotham. Okay, yes. So we know that average of, this is the average of 21 का average है, और 22 का average क्या हो रहा है, एक से बढ़ रहा है. That means average of 22 student will be what? 61.5, because there is increase of 1 according to the question. Okay, so this is the 61.5 will be the average of 22 student. Now we will equate the sum of all the 22 student, that is 20 student का हमें sum पता था, 20 student का sum पता था, प्लस रमेश का जो भी वैल्यू है प्लस गौतम का जो वैल्यू है वो क्या होना चाहिए, 61.5, that is average of 22 लोगों का जो average है multiplied by total number of student. So this should be equal. Now we know that T20 is this. So put this 1219.5 plus Ramesh value is what, 82.5 plus Gautam we need to find is equal to 61.5 into 22. So 61.5 into 22. So 61.5 into 10 is 615. So 615 we can break it like, देखो ये फास्ट ओरली कैसे कर सकते हो, 615 प्लस 615 दैट इज 20 लोगों का, और प्लस 61.5 और 61.5 ये क्या आ जाएगा 1230, ये क्या 20 लोगों का आ गया, 61.5 into 20 is 1230 plus 123 that is 1353. Okay, so this value RHS is 1353 and this is what, ये दो वैल्यू का सम क्या आ जाएगा 1302 plus this is value of Gautam, this is equal to this. So Gautam is what, 51. Oh my god, this is a quite lengthy calculation. Okay, so this is the way you can use the algebra to get to the answer of this question. बट ये काफी लंबी मेथड है एंड इस तरीके से आप अगर एग्जाम में करोगे तो आपके 3 मिनट कहीं गए ही नहीं है. ठीक है, 3 मिनट आपको मिनिमम लगने वाला है, बिकॉज वी हैव टू यूज 3 different pieces of information. Okay, so we will try to solve this question using a much smarter way, and let's try this in a using G strategy. Okay, so yes. Okay, so we will see this. What is given to us in the question? The average score of all 22 student is one more than the average score of 21 student other than Ramesh. Okay, so there are, let's say, 21 student, P1, P2, P3. This is 21 student and then there is 22nd student Ramesh. So Ramesh क्या कर रहा है, Ramesh the average of 22 student is one more than the, हाँ तो 21 लोगों का जो भी average होगा, let's say x average होगा सबका. ठीक है, 21 लोग सबका वेट x मान लेते हैं, सो एवरेज क्या आ जाएगा x, और रमेश के आते ही 22 लोगों का एवरेज क्या है, x+1 हो रहा है, x+1 हो रहा है. मतलब रमेश क्या कर रहा है, रमेश बेसिकली ये जो 22 एंटिटीज है यहाँ पर, these are 21 और रमेश 22nd, so 22 एंटिटीज को 111 एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा है. सो रमेश का जो वेट है दैट इज 82.5, उसमें से अगर हम 22 माइनस कर दे तो हमारे पास पुराना एवरेज मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, सो पुराना एवरेज क्या आ जाएगा 60.5. दिस इज एवरेज ऑफ 21 student other than Ramesh. Okay, this is average of 21 other than Ramesh. This is average of 21 other than Ramesh. Okay, other than Ramesh. Now रमेश के आते ही एवरेज क्या हो रहा है, एक से इंक्रीज हो रहा है, दैट मींस 61.5 क्या हो जाएगा, एवरेज ऑफ ऑल 22, एवरेज ऑफ ऑल 22 विल बी 61.5. ठीक है, इतना क्लियर है. नाउ Ramesh, now what, the average score of 21 student other than Gautam is 62. मतलब ये 22 student है, इसमें से अगर हम गौतम को निकाल देते हैं तो एवरेज क्या हो जाएगा, एवरेज हो जाएगा आपका 62. मतलब यहाँ पर एवरेज में क्या इंक्रीज आ रहा है, 0.5 का इंक्रीज आ रहा है. ठीक है, कितने लोगों के इसमें, यहाँ पर अब कितने लोग हैं, ये 21 स्टूडेंट अदर देन गौतम. सो 0.5 का इंक्रीज हो रहा है 21 लोगों में गौतम के जाने से. मतलब गौतम का एवरेज, जो गौतम का जो वेट होगा वो कम होगा. ओके, गौतम का जो वेट होगा वो कम होगा इससे. सो गौतम का कितना वेट कम होगा, दिस विल कम एज बाय दिस 0.5 और 21 लोगों का हो रहा है. सो व्हाट, 21 into 0.5 that is 10.5. सो इस एवरेज है 61.5 से इतना वैल्यू अगर माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास गौतम का वेट आ जाएगा. सो 61.5 minus 10.5 that is 51. Okay, this is the weight of Gautam. So this is your correct answer, and this is a funda which we teach in properly in depth in the class. Okay, but using this funda you can see that you can solve this question quite efficiently. आप काफी easily इस question को solve कर सकते थे rather than forming equations and going through longer method. So you have to be customized with all these methods. Okay, अगर आप इन सारी methods को practice करते जाओगे तो आपके in CAT somewhere close to 7 to 8 question इस तरीके से आप काफी इजीली कर सकते हो. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन, एंड इन केस you want to join us, so these are the number of Thane, Vashi, Dadar, and in case you want to join for shortcut workshop or some test series, mocks and books, then you can always contact these numbers. Okay, so thank you guys, and in case if you want more such G strategy videos, then please let us know in the comment section, and also in comment section please type in the time that you have taken to solve this question. Okay, so thank you. This is all from my side. I am Anup from CET King. Okay, thank you.